Hi, this is Diana from Second Half Dreams. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove a background using Remove.bg. I'm going to remove the background from this picture of my cockatiel. As you can see, the background is pretty busy and it has multiple colors that pretty much match the same colors as my cockatiel. So it'll be interesting to see how well the program does with telling the difference between the yellow color on the wall and the yellow color on the bird's face and the orange part of the cage with the orange cheeks. And then there's just a lot of white and gray on both my cockatiel and throughout the background of the picture. So to get started, I'm going to go to the Remove Background website and click on Upload Image. Select the picture of my bird, and then just wait a few seconds for the image to process. And then at this point, I can just go ahead and download a preview image of it, or a high resolution image, or I can have a little bit of fun and go over here to edit. And then if you look down here, there's several pictures with different backgrounds, so you can just click on one and the background changes. So I think you can have a lot of fun with this. If you want a plain solid colored background, just click on color and then you can choose one of the solid colors. And to be honest, I think this picture of my cockatiel on top of one of these colored backgrounds would make a very cute front cover image for a cockatiel notebook or cockatiel calendar that can be published in KDP. Likewise, a high resolution copy of this image with a transparent background would make a great graphic on a POD product such as a t-shirt or mug. You just need to make sure that before you use one of these photos as a front cover image for KDP or in a POD product, that you review and follow Remove.bg's commercial use policy. And then in closing, I just want to say that I find that Remove.bg provides a very quick and easy way to remove the backgrounds on your images, and I highly recommend that you give it a try.